Hey guys, oh my goodness, it's been like forever since I've been on this YouTube channel, but I should be saying welcome back to myself. But anyway, I'm back to talk to you guys about this hair that I'm really excited about. It's Outre's My Tresses Black Label hair, which is 100% human hair that you can actually customize, like you can color it. They do have regular lace closures and frontals, but what I'm working with today is this 3x6 deep lace closure. So if you look right here, it's showing you the different color results that you should be expecting to get depending on what BlondMe Developer you use with your lightener. You can find Outre hair at any local beauty supply store that carries hair weave products, and I'll also leave a link in the description box to a website that you can buy the hair online. In this video, I really wanted to focus on what I did to color the hair, so I'm not really going to show you what I did to make the unit, but if you want to see how I make my wigs, I will leave the link to two very descriptive videos in my description box. Okay, so boom, here she is, all wigged up and ready to go. So I'm going to stick her on my mannequin and get ready to color her. So the lightener that I'm going to be using to lighten this unit is going to be, I can't pronounce this brand, but I think it's Schwarzkopf. Their BlondMe Lightener, I really love it. It has up to 9 levels of lift, and I also be using the matching developer. So you see me here with a 20 and a 40 because I don't have 30, but if you mix equal parts of 20 and 40, it gives you 30. So there's a pro tip for you. You'll see that the brush I'm using is a little bit larger, and that's just because the bigger the brush, the faster you go. So I'm putting my hair into 4 sections, and don't mind my roommate walking back and forth. I do have roommates, I'm in college, you'll see them. Okay, so that's 1 scoop of the lightener, and I don't really measure, like the whole ratios thing. So I just put like a bunch of 20, and then I put like what looks like an equal amount of a bunch of 40, and there I am. I have about 30 BlondMe Developer and 1 scoop of lightener. I'm using my whisk to mix it up because honestly, like a whisk will give you like the best, mixing that you're gonna get. But as you can see, it's way too thick. So what I do is I just add some more 20, add some more 40, and I really just keep mixing it until I get a really drippy consistency. Because to me, when the lightener is drippier, it is a lot easier to apply and to spread, and it's easier to saturate the hair. I grab about this amount of lightener on my brush and I just go in. And as you can see, I'm putting the lightener all in the part as well, because if you do that, you don't have to go back and bleach the knots separately because the knots are getting bleached just like that. I'm using a balayage board, or I just kind of call it like a hair dye paddle, because that way you don't have to sit the hair in your hand to color it and your hands stay clean the whole time, which I think is pretty cool. And also what's really important to note while you're doing this is you want to go back, open up the hair, and then make sure you're getting the lightener all up and through there, because there could be pieces that are not saturated. Like the hair will really look like you're getting everything from the outside, but then like you take your time and you spread it open and it's like boom, there's a bunch of hair in there that didn't get any lightener. So make sure you're taking your time and doing that. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet now because I can feel it already. I'm talking too much. I'll just let you guys look and learn. Also, you guys, a side note about this lightener, it is not a lightener that is available to the general public. You do have to have a cosmetology license or be in cosmetology school to go ahead to the store and purchase it. But if you do have a license, you can find this at Cosmoprof. And if you don't have a license, of course, you can find everything on Amazon. So I will leave the link in the description box also to where you can find the lightener and the matching developers on Amazon. Okay, and boom, there she is, lightener all up and through there. Oh my God, I sound so corny. Here we are, 3 bowls of lightener later, and this is what she looks like washed and blow dried. It's a really bright orangey color. So if we go back to the hair promises, I think it's pretty accurate because it's not as dark as 20, but then again, it's not as light as 40. So I think we're right there in that middle ground in between 20 and 40. So from this orangey color, the best way to go is red. It'd be the most vibrant and the most pigmented. So those are the 3 colors that I'm using at the roots. I mix them equal parts. And then I'm using a smaller brush because I really wanted like this darker color to be more controlled. And then I'm using a bigger brush and only the color crimson to do where I stopped with the other color all the way down to the ends. And I'm doing the same exact technique I used to lighten the hair. So I'm not gonna make this video super redundant and show you how I went through with the color, because it's the literal same exact thing that I did with the lightener. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.